Hey, we got a 2-box break here for John L. He's doing 2 and 4 from the museum. 2 and 4. We got one more of these up next for Robin. Come on. There we go. I did the famous alley move. Tap the corners. Tap the corners, Rich. That's what everybody likes. Soft corners on their cards. There's a couple fat packs here, John. Okay, Purple Russell out of 99. 32 out of 99. We got a David Dahl. Trout. Will Myers. And no auto. Relic is DeGrom out of 99. 83 out of 99. Well, you guys know the rules with packs. First come, first serve. I just go by the order IDs in the stores that come in. So you order 2 and get 2 whammies, and people buy the 2 behind you quick. That's how it goes. Alright, Verlander blue out of 150. Altuve, Babe Ruth, and Nolan Ryan. Which way are we going with this hit? Going... Oh, right, this way. Alright. It's a big fat patch. Game used. Glass now. 1 out of 15. Momentous material. Nice card. Momentous material auto of Glass now. 1 out of 15. I thought those were all out of 10, so that's interesting. A couple guys are out of 15 this year. Maybe they are all out of 15 and I'm dumb. Tyler Glass now. Robin, would you like to pick from this side? It has an auto left, or do you want me to grab some more packs and mix them up in there? John. That's not too bad, man. Kent Telcuve. It is the Telcuve hat.